Senate arukiri kana Mathina narua wona chiaringa thaa 8:30 na of course kwa kagita ikumbeta kutha kuri na ruku katikati ka MCs bambunge ya county ya Meru na governor Kawira Mwangaza na jojo nijo matuketha tukiariria rukiro na ro nbetagwa Ntinyari Kinyua ndene ya studio chetu turi na gitio gikinene muno kwithura na mutongeri wa kiama kia basa ALHAJI MWENDIA. Karibu sana ibaka ntubako na kanya kuja kwaranira about we long time no see.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to run the studio once more.
Karibu sana. Utwere ate?
Mbagiri muno sana. Na ndi kuri marima. Wananchi batwanirie. Na twetekiria na ndi kinya kethra distio ndi litangwe na county government mwankan tariki 31 December. But politically no kumenya ndareo as a political appointee. Itamwe kwage kuthira. Na ndimpa na kinya uni ntukuitigere mbuga 10 days. Nchoka nja kairi but kinya na ndira njire kandi maganja na ndina kulita ngugi ingi. Na nga accept verdict yantu. Uyo yantu I accept it fully.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Aya na ntuku ya narua ni ntuku inene muno kiri fate ya governor Kawira Mwangaza na kiri MCs bambunge county ya Meru bara bakurukire muswada jwa kumuimpeach stage 1 na ntukena ro senate ketha ina kagita gakega gakuthura kithira bakathura kamiti itethikire ithujero aria ruru kana report ji ya impeachment ire mbetakuthwa kiretwa ni county assembly kana ni senate on the kathikira na ntikumenya did we have to get here no nto inya mwana akethirwo ena thina ndenenja ntigutike mutuma ntuguma ukaringa mutwe ukabirania no did you have to get here?
Thank you so much. Today ndenda kwaria ntikwenda kwajana kinya very personalized opinion na ntikwenda kwa swayed ne mantu jaraja go happen ya Mathina Ja maingi to just studios ntodara jokete 100 stands ntorogo support speaker wa Meru County Assembly I am blind to any reality kiyake ratho kiti ntorogo support DMK or the same thing amudhura kinya DMK yakauga wega ura the move of the motion anto bateonaga so to probably wendo enenwe anto baraba uro kurwa na Kawira kutuwega bakawira mbakona na more ugu support Kawira kuti uthuku wa womba kona.
That's true.
Na iji niyo problem ila turi nayo ndenda kore very impartial because antupa bonded utwente na special relationship nawe DMK the mover of the motion
MCO ku
ne MCO kwa na rampumite and I know the family take care MCO kwaki I am like the father to that young man. Tukwere okona othoni ne bwa okona mbiketie mwate na intubinge jamire. He is my son. Ayubu Bundi is my in-law. I could go deeper and explain that one. Ne inilo kwa. Tije kethra nuijerera murega arombo othoni gwa Kawira ini ndarairie muthoni indetete korombera murega othoni.
Wow.
Kawira. Like these people wane antu twe close na bona tujene muno kinya keba chiacha ni chiaduranaga antu. But allow me to say process ya impeachment kana the whole issue impeachment ni issue kana ni ontobo menyeri ni katiba ni ontobo le katibene kwa uteka buri surprise kethra ontobo butari buije butingi kiro katibene
indi lazima turingi kinyao menya buga kwina njira nyingi cha kurambe
ne onkwenda kuija njira hii na ile katibene you know are they provided for tukenda if we are really proponents by the rule of law na Kenya ni thiguru ya thawani the rule of law then tuburita guchuria imbi provided for the mantu jajeja because kinya uwe na uni no rongi twenda kuma sheriene we may want to vacate the law but kethra Kenya ni thiguru ya sheria what does the law say onto jabubu agitatri boja ntatu inge to kwaria chionde ni consequential yonto ite provided for in the law
lakini nyambere tukinya sheria re I think usually inya kiri social relationships cheto mukuru na mwekuru muchiari na mwana employer na employee okija kwithirwa batikwiganua abo karandi tubugatwangwa ataniro kwaraniria
itugaga ndono ntekumenya kethera ni muthomi njuki waugite u I think muthomi njuki arauga the other day kajao gakarega gwonka nyina ni gwatawe kaogwa gagonka lakini no nja nyina karega gwonkia kajao ni thekawa kajao gagonke theki lakini kajao kongo akarega gwonka then agakujaga therefore these are two ways rira dialogue ireo no one can't buy it accept baubo by the parties accept kudira kuri na dialogue I think itomere chiachene twina mwanki juu mwingi muno na tomete from different political divides signs of the political divide
true
na kwaraniria twariganirwa tukuthiria chiacha na ndi we are elected to work kuritira antu ngugi tweja maofisine tukamatite baggage ya chiacha tuichietaia ura tukathithia we don't want to see each other tutikonda kuthikanira that is the undoing ya Meru neu ni test mbere ya leadership that was the first test ya leadership kadha tukaria rais tukuma chiachene tweja ngugina nandi au ni to afirire mbere and that failure if you lose track na kinyare mbere then it is very difficult. Now I can say politicians, but is some of them are so big-headed. Nobody wants to kwirwa gutukwenda kwirwa mantu jaja tabwirite gukinyau jabwirite gukarirwa nthiguru hare na ikunda itwategete okabere tuona there was some initiative indikanaga rira kwathigwa transition kulikana team ile transition I remember the former governor Kiraitwa atumite ro chief of staff Jotham na mwira nthiwire kawira uni kuma chiachene buru governor kawira nkuma gara chiachene buru na o support governor kawira na uga akenda ini advice kuma kana mtu wa kumbolia my doors are open
they are available
to support yonto ni ntechoka chiachene kairi that was an initiative na tumite the county secretary Rufus Miriti with the same kawira agankira nandi owning resign from politics buru kwana.
All right, kuri na aspect kwithirwa gitonyithwa ni antu baba ingi nyegoro ndrathikaira Council of Governors ndira barekite gikaro na ndiki banteto antu baba ingi especially bare outside of Meru bare bate kumenya issues chetu deeply baruga inyoketha kwina issues it's too early I like that nugire vegetarian impartial nonto to be honest Governor Kaira Mwangaza inya atombikia kwithirwa agi set up structures cha thirikari yewe bubwega utikunya baburara political appointments bado butebera mbuga inya make chiawe to be tukiara ya uma was it too early
Nandi I would like to say there is nothing like too early manjaja hali na late relative hali and late are quite relative manja uja karikite o kagite ne kau kanini kau ikoga informed decision yiji
njakungana
igakungana yani menya no ture kuthithiria muntu tuthuku tunini ujuke miaka 10 mbereko kuja no muthithirio thuku within 1 hour bomb break your relationship forever therefore gutigi ntu ja too early kana too late it is all relative man tuja kuwa igita kule yale kana it's relative roje rogataka mukondo anini you don't have got to be told na urueterete rogutangira but I want to believe tauranda wakairi ikware na necessity ya antu gukarande barekani utirenge kawira ari governor utirenge baba ingi baba MCs bakaiburu bachokere ikwabwirite kugana a sense of out of the boardroom consultations na anto reconciliation anto bakarirwa bakageria gucoka mo for the sake of Meru lakini bo butombera okarika chonto kuriwa anto bejite baije giteke ngavana ni kuburite kuthoe kariuju banga baije nguge aho ni kuburite kuthoe kariuju anto beja bari informed in quotes
no to kwenda go conform kana go compromise
na batakwenda go conform kana anything eu nio problem ira na nio mbugire eu nio test ya mbere ya leadership
aya meriere yumbita kuthoe gicokanirwa especially kiri iringone bya media nto tutumbita ko tukiona kariba atongire ba necessary baikarambi kwaraniria indi bethetwo becokanirie muno gukurukira nyomba cia nteto na sometimes miarioria no kuthugania no imbita kuthwe ki escalate manto ugatwika kinya ijaere na ndi personal gucokaniria kuria
I think so I think so bwambere no mwanka tongeria to exercise a lot of sobriety ukurobo na itokonda certain level ya maturity rira tura tongeria itokonindi level na tugatuni rhetoric na ndikira tware mero gutemu ni Meru tware mero kunika i political rhetoric twariganirwa tukuma kire activism twa tongeria so twa unrestrained rira muntu aja mutongeria kuri mantu jatimenya kuma kanyo gaku kairi kuri kinya migambo o expandaga from your vocabulary okwa mutongeria jonto wa mutongeria sorry bitikiria digress nini wa mutongeria uri role model you are the total embodiment of aspirations chianto ba Meru anto bali kuona bakona Meru therefore wa murumani gekwa ni Meru ekariu wa mwagi ndoni gekwa ni Meru ekariu therefore rira wa mutongeria kwi migambo etibwirite kuma kanyo gaku kairi kwi kinya sauti level sauti etibwirite kwithira ereo uria gukiria sauti ya kurira were mutongeria kinyoga control your temperament maruru jaku kagitatri ukanyia what I'm saying is that itwaremero kuthithio na tweta gucokaniria kiri media na migambo ere emwe itigu fit kwithira kiuma kiri atongeria neu nio escalated Mathina Ja Meru kethira antu ibakirire orimwe ntatwete kinya wikinyite therefore kira tukuona it's not kinya the original issue mantu jarajejite after the original issue
no to nogire uju
na ndika kuonia ugu kuga teu so the issue now ne umire kinya ne digress from
word fund kaumo lakini zaito
na ene etre tontrande buga no tego ukona nande you pass through the assembly tego nande baketha na ya muga mbirwa can you see you can see now the no thikiria in the community kore TV ngedra tegete ogoro ukaigwa kinya wananchi nande antu ibakwenda kwirana nande no kugonge athikiriti who is now saying now it's like everybody wants to put the other arabirita kwithrari so the issue of one part is no longer the bone of contention the issue is who is saying what the other is reasoning can you see
nande nonto gote kuoneka muntu okwaria ungi akithikaira kiri atongere baba bairi barabera differences are you disappointed that okarikana njuri nchekeni ekiri mono for a very long time mbuga kinya antu baume baringi expect njuri ncheke umba kwithira ikiumba ukarithia nthithire ishueje kuri na atongeria bangi rais wengo William Ruto na akirire storage nya after governor Kaira Mwangaza kumuria jatonyere kanisa the clergy niki kana antu abokira kuri bagwete kinyomwe kya maguta
unde mukuru wa njuri ncheke I'm a neon of the njuri ncheke but then I want to say kunare kwena njuri ncheke kuna institutions ingi like you have already said kuna kanisa na ile ingi but I can tell you most of these institutions it's a lose moral legitimacy.
That's true.
Because we have seen you here and we have seen you there. Therefore already iwa imoge injire. Ukachwa any impartial, real impartial institution ira yomba kurungama ya arbitrate ite compromise nande we have developed suspicions no botomete uwo kuthithia no botomete
kurite
no kurite because we have also seen I want to tell Meru nteto miaje igora mbitere goro igora ndingire thimo na they so busy and baraba inge kinyo kuona studio chetu there are people who are paid to go there no monkantu banaba karenthi babatume therefore the reason yeno jo tukuri master go serve therefore kinya in arbitration kuri antu baba inge muno baka tumwa ingania beta ko arbitrate therefore utejeta ko arbitrate interest cha Meru uteta ko arbitrate interest cha mastoku this is where we are going wrong na ndithugania riria katiba ethithagua antu bara bathia katiba ibatagete nteto icionthe impartiality yomba kura buru na antu bara na bo benda kwa impartial bara bomba kurungoma baka impartial bate aragia na iba ukra kwithukiria marieto jai jao we are very senior clergy in this county twina is roundship the bishop Kinasaresius Mugambi utaigwa ari in controversy akira kuja he can be a legitimate broker
lakini thai nuije kwina
kwina that thing
ya Catholic
ukejo gatego ukona twina very senior clergy ba Anglican bali gukinyoko orwa no they are so cool they are doing their things but available so tuna ukira gutonya aja athukia rieto riawe therefore need to me riria katiba ya riria ntatu cia investinjagwa kuringithira kwina avenues cionthe ikakitandifo in the constitution ciaregere kwa kitandifo no ntubwa reality ciji tukwana na ugonande gukerwa igwita na kajira kau ntekumenya kinya imbiga ukirirwa so ntukinyayo it's a form of arbitration gwita senate it's a legitimate body created by law ya kuthithia ya kuthikira antu baba kinya tigambe ne betite because ukathoma bwega in the county government act bali uga kinya uju governor akiswa ne assembly agatwirwo atrampa kuthikirwa satisfactorily mwanka exhaustwa therefore area te court that is somebody a arbitration sort of na bomba kwa device kinya assembly ukuretere tiu therefore ntikwera niki no tukwenda gwokera that provision constitutional provision to ambiria gusikatha other provisions ituje yomba kinya gutonyerwa but I think kuna maturity kuna antwara batena vested interest as such therefore to me it is a legitimate area near the provided for most legitimate provided for avenue ya interest
tutugane niki President William Ruto akiririte story ja Meru
because tengo gewe kedra katiba ne thwana ya president ya tonyere iringi eja na that provision na the president yake ya gutonyera this thing he is now occasioning a dictatorial regime because ngugewi nene na ndithoganya Ruto ga kuthithia raitire uraburite kuthithia kureka institutions ile changed na responsibility ya kwando such business chiitambere nayo one kuruntu ndegure kairi there is the National Assembly. It's a very powerful body. There is the Council of Governors, a very powerful body. There is the Senate. There is the presidency. In tobiu beyond the goteo uwezo bwa impeaching governor. Kuinitiate impeachment ya governor. And to baraba nenkerina bakuri wampechi nyingi mono o mweri kuthithio ni the County Assembly. Whatever we say, muntora we go oversight governor. Muntora we go prefect in quotes governor teba ubange bonde the County Assembly. And we must admit you know the truth. Number two, before we vacate that one, ntukwira ndaringire kura yakwa kore power chiakwa ndasindire kiri the member of County Assembly. kira mpomba gwitwo na ndeja muringi kura tiga petition ireo ni kero na kana signature kwa Kenya is a representative democracy no renda nenkere power chiakwa chia gwitonkarĩria governor come oversight ni member wa county assembly. Therefore are within mandate yawe.
Okay. All right, fantastic. Antu babengi baruga gitumi ndwa ije ya MCs na governor eti kuora kija governor kwira mwangaza wengo maitaja mengine ndireto akiwa kuri na external factors bareta makatero kana antu babengi ninyo kataki mitandao na uku antu bomba kwa baki blame ukagwinya rito ria mutongeria wa kiama kia bus governor Kirito Murungi bikigero ukaigwa iba mambuga barabate kwenda gwitikiri bachindirwe nonto akiama kia bus kiri na a good number of MCAs na twategera tukona MCA wa kiama kia bus no DMK kiogora nombeta kwithirwa akimove motion ire ku impeach governor Kawira Mwangaza. Point of clarification, ni kiama kia bus gukurukira governor Kirito Murungi gutumira DMK kiogora kurwa na governor Kawira Mwangaza nonto ibo achindirwe.
I want to be very candid and very honest in that on eji. Wambere kan kwira mwiti na roji agwata matikinya kona nyakirutere na agere gwata na gethito na roji. Therefore no muje no mwankato cho excuse. Kure nange gwetu tuga mtu agakua eta Antoana okero imbia moraga. Karo goingania ka thithwa and so forth. Antu bataga excuses ya iji. Kuchwa itumi na mtu etite na roji atrega kugwata mati. Wambere I want to say na mbere mero kinya Kawira na mutuma bakauma narua kinya President Ruto kanonge akera Kirito ndio gachoe giteke governor to sponsor Meru Kirito ateja we are retired from politics. I want to make that very clear. Buru itaumire chiachene totally buru Kirito na tiganire na chiacha na ikihona kinya ntukuji atekuja Meru na kinya rejite akeja kurukite na very rocky. Therefore I can tell you for sure DMK athulirwe patene murekereria agaite ngugi iria abwirite gwita kurita ari member of county assembly DMK imuntu. And let me tell you, one of the brightest wa thomi baraturi nabo in the Meru County Assembly ni DMK. Inada kuthia doctorate yawe etakwa Dr. DMK. Are on that one. Therefore, this tunji twajukirie kana robot ye pate toiki in the assembly. Ni muntu kuthogania na twetekia muntu tukimukiria na capacity ya go perform ja member of county assembly. Na tote micromanage members of county assembly. We don't micromanage them. We don't. Therefore, ngogera babwirite kurita. Ni bakurita na ikyo tukirijo ntu ni part of their work. And unfortunately, I don't know where things went wrong. John to owning the Tabaita TV. Ayubu bundi akuthurwo ari speaker. He came to my office. Ayubu bundi. Kuri manto jita twaria. Remember bundi na my minority leader in the first assembly. Neja ambira ALHAJI gato support Kawira. Let's admit that Kawira is the governor wa Meru County. Na ambira ALHAJI gato support Kawira. Na Ayubu no nditheri arrangement mto wa weru wa Maita TV. Eja wakwa officine. Kujukia statement ate mbasi tukugeta atre tukumu support. Nanda mwera very clearly and categorically tuka support Kawira Mwangaza yontu no thurwa ni antu. Na position yu nduga za secretary general wa kiama kia bus. Nanda this is the message of the party leader. Lakini ndongera tukamu support so long as na kundriva for Meru na kuthithia manto within kana manjara batu tukona jaga atethia antu bai terasi mathingata manifesto yetu ya bus
ko kiama kia bus tikio external
kiama kia bus is not there but I would like to say kukeja gutweka baga to convince ate o bakuthithia is legitimate na baga to ni mbie gutuma bathithia u like I've read the motion na research it very deeply then but we let them go ahead with their work John to go get to micromanage therefore I can tell you for sure the BAS party is not sponsor ya motion ni Ngugi and DMK are member wa county assembly na are qualified member wa county assembly a knowledgeable member wa county assembly muntu ina capacity ya perform duty cha county assembly as MCA noe wikete motion jo.
Ay fantastic. Nana ndinko na nuntu umete gishigo mbugi gya South Imenti. Inkurikana kagita maibo ari na mbunge mwekuru. Ura wirikana nombire kwithirwa ati gukaragitine nuntu Ameru tutitikaire kwathwa tutitikaire no twathwe imwekuru ana gender card ndi go play a lot kirima tujege impeachment ya honorable governor Kawira Mwangaza antu baba ngiba riuga antu batikonda gwitikiria governor ni mama
kankwire ngachoka nyima I wish you had time I would have taken you back egitara Kariminjero Analita Kariminjero ukaja gutaga results cha election ile kiathithitwe gitarira Kariminjero was almost the last one in the first round bere kabere ntumbijewe aritwa berwa gitene ne allegations cha mumanambi riko na chiasa cha mugambi Pius na barabangi athene Kariminjero aregete kinya kurunga maburu rira kabere arigirirwe kurungama I remember my father was umo antu barabagire Kariminja na bamura kinya kethe igora arigiti chia chene ko Karimi atathuri yo ntu Karimi kaka gorivaga kuthurwa ni antu barabari bakabere baigirwe because antu bau bange bonde barete kunganga up against kabere na bamuitana petition therefore we are going to shame them by antu bakabere yo ntu bari babange to kabere okurukite therefore tuite takuba shame na kugira Kariminjero therefore agira Karimi na Karimi abakorega buru I can tell you that story is a very wrong story urabeta quality peace njari secretary general wa Kanu na mbi bageta kwa warisiti utuko bataraja piga ndiwizo irugono roraja therefore Karimi atagiri yo ntoka kwarifaga kwa mujumbe ni antu baitaga back kire antu barabange bamugambi Pius na barabange na Karimi yagota bamugambi Pius rikana mugambi Pius yari wambundi ya I don't remember kada ari chairman kana board member wa St Mary's na nijure board member kwa mantu boko onaja na jambo gari kuneka na neo augire no tontu bukugira Karimi jako hunjumu mupango jongo kari nai naju nani I will show you table bombe kirite therefore ndo aya umbakire the original thing jana de kona ni who is who yawo Karimero nande mugambi Pius barachoka aratumira evidence ere ari no jam board member wa St Mary's wiki Karimi kotini
alright
therefore it was not an issue kuga tutea the imwekuru the issue was anto baba bakabere ba my father na bange barabare gitari barabare campaigners bakabere baraigwe jonto bamugambi baba turitage baita kabere gitine tutere komo wawajukia giti therefore regardless of kadra Karimi yakomba giteke mujumbe kana atyomba Karimi twagira kenda tubashim therefore Karimi yagiri kenda yagwa shim anto baba baraitere kabere na petition then no mugambi abera gutekarau I have also got to show you the other Indian card aramugajo to the board member na mbije kuri mbecha chia urite chukuru therefore I am going to use that card kubonia kinyabwe therefore te Karimi wa itawa gitine ni antu bau baikete Karimi bona we you are not as clever as you think you are na de jingi it is unfortunate itokoreta issue on gender on this matter inkomenya taura tugere na ndin kokero ibakira itu former governor bakorwanwe kokero munyambuga na korwanwa na kwenda kuchoka gitine na kwenda ku destroy Kawira kenda choka gitine kokero akathuri murunge mbuga na kova na tegete mbere 2027 mbuga mithika akero na tegete mbere 2027 na the combined forces ikorwanai you chionde the conjecture you chionde temantu ya leo okay I don't see nandekwira I am informed I don't see mteto eu ndenda turia tri ukathoma impeachment statement ira impeachment ne gukuonia kuri mantu jabwirite kwa addressed kato gutiga gutega mantu jara jari in the content of impeachment motion tugasimbiria gutega mantu yangi side shows nteto ira chiongo tukwiriro aria are they true mantu jari impeachment jau form the basis impeachment ijama menya au ni otubwirite gucoka tukamenya te jama tukambiria kuga mantu agenda and so forth therefore kuri ondironere otuku kuruba kiuga irregardless kada ibarali informed or not lakini there was a statement because this is not about gender, this is about the performance na hindi ndabere twambirie kinya kuria kethra mantu yarima kethra ni kethra ibakiraitu kana ibakathuri kana kethra ibamunya kana others ndela twamba guchiuria nteto iria ikwa accused of why aren't you addressing it imbie kugira to address why are we jumping to gender and so forth na kwena mantu jara jongwa reasons ira chieja ni ara tugeria gwitaga tugeria kwa address tugeta na mind you ate komba kuthro gender na bubungi then we are losing the goal jontu kinya tugeta arbitration na harwa kwa tukatwita arbitration then tutetega nteto you
ko te kuvuga ni gender
no there's nothing like that
okay
there's nothing like that
all right
now I think ishaindi show you because I want to believe ntukura tugeta arbitration tukario mantu agenda tugatega imbi accuse nai imbi accuse ni
ko tanto bakumugiro ruritho
tanto bakumugiro ruritho what for
all right
I think let me tell you something only and I want to say this from my heart and God be my witness on this matter I don't care nare muntu ro kambatha ingavana akaumana no genderiko I don't care kira kwenda ni nke ndajua ni ndagena kindi ni feria nkomba gwita mbere kuthura dialysis aja town aja Meru ntegwika expense cha Nairobi ndagwato ni cancer
God forbid
nkomba God forbid nkomba kuona treatment munene yokona unduganirio ran kuona treatment aja ndienda kumenya turari na mpara Meru turari na mpara ndienda kumenya no kuthuganiria mbwao ingi uratomba kugena enough mbwaos muntu onthe kinyare moi kuri mairio bya kwendia akomba kuri mairio bya kumungana these are things I want
all right ko baba kuga kurabatere county rikajonde county thirwe kidisova tuchokere ithurano what do you think
ndira kuboria if wishes were horses beggars could ride utamuntu tena opinion yewe or muntu mara with an opinion is like something I want to say here or muntu ena yawe you know therefore ni ntekwenda ku address opinion it is based on any fact on any fact of law na gukeja gutwika allow me to say this thing bwambere kuri peace moral kuri peace there yomba gwikianto mwankine tiko mai time ngana tutigeria lakini kut Reverend Rawi Matthew one time mwekoro mwa Reverend akiunji arawora mwekoro mwa aramweja testimony ukuje bura bawonokio mwekoro aramwira uni mpendete mwathani wakwa ikwagire thiri mwathani urari mutukuri na muonokia rugono jaru nuije you know the testimonies nande areta mbere atwathiririe u arera Rawi ona ande kinya mukuru okwa mbeta kuro buga bwana asifiwe mukuru okwa mbeta maraya nkauga bwana asifiwe mukuru okwa mbeta nchangiri nkauga bwana asifiwe Rawi atwira mwira kute kuonoka yutio peace ko kariri mukuru that is not peace na bute buonokio muntu agwete kuro uga bwana asifiwe muntu agwete maraya uga bwana asifiwe amara those are not the things therefore kuri peace moral kukeja kuthura Meru itukage peace itokwenda kumenya nteto ija accusation ikethira itru before any peace
all right
itokwenda kumenya kethira kawire na capacity ku deliver before any peace so ntukukeja gutwika tukage peace miaka 5 ende tuthukie uriti wangu gini Meru ukethra peace ega compromise uriti bwa ngugi in Meru then peace you is immoral.
Now that you've read the impeachment motion na numbite kuthira ukiona mantu jaria umbite kuthira akithitangwa najo, do you think they hold water, and does it matter nontu tukumenya impeachment is a political nini nontu kithei mantu legal no ete mga baadaye kuthira gesi redress kumakiri high court. Do you think it holds water ama it doesn't matter nontu impeachment is a political process?
Now let me put it this way. I think it's two-way. The two ways are equally qualified. It's a political process. Gukaga na political influence on these matters. That is point number one. It's a political process, like you said. Number two, it could hold water because Kirimanjara yomba gutuma governor impeachwa. No violate constitution ya thiguru. Iyo ni kimwe kira kiomba gutuma impeachwa the constitution. Na kinya president ni you. Akarema go perform ngugiche either by physically incapacitated
mentally
to the extent na mentally incapacitated to the extent that atema kulita ngugiche yawe. Inge misconduct. Gross misconduct.
Na abuse of office.
Uyomba kutuma uma ngugine. Remember, at one point, igita rimwe, Clinton akugambia in turn, weta wale whiskey. Lawyers ba Clinton baugaga baba ne ando tibaire ne antwagi mabaire betekanirie na in America that is the law. Antobaire bagetekaniria batemenya kuthitangwa. Lawyers ba state mawakiri jakauga no Clinton te just an American. Urato kugambithia is the president of the United States of America. Nande Clinton ture mugambithia are the total embodiment ya aspirations na hopes
of the
people of
US.
America. Kira to kuona kiri Clinton te Clinton the man. Mukuru wa the ready. Tureona Clinton as the president. Neu to kwenda na beto bakora embrace values Clinton yako ako. So ndeje ngena ku I would like to say Kawira may have another chance. Trasimane. She may have another chance. Kire andenge mo advice. You go tame the mouth. Chonto gintu kira kiomba kumuthukia na wetite. Imegambwerera uma kanywa kawe. Which would amount to gross misconduct. Gross misconduct could be either by word or deed. Na kira mbuga kiawe. I wish I retreat. Agatiga spindi chego chokaniria Jonto are above everybody else in Meru. Akenama Jonto kira kiomba kurano inteto ira chiumita kanywa kai. Therefore akeja gutuika kagea na kanya kaguchoka kairi. Then Kawira natim murumujwawe. Jonto kinyanto bakero bakarenthi ana bako ibaigiruo kimbitambirwa ibaigiruo kuga makatel na tuenda kumenya kinyani ndenda kumenya, and I want to be very honest, very honest in God's name. I was in the other government. Which cartels are those? The worst thing ne kwa accusation ya cartels and then no kumenya ro gwakuso ibo burari thirikari-ini na ndenda kwerewa kenda kinya tutumba collectively cartels ire kuiu bukarete bichina meri thatu. When did you unearth these cartels? Kana injire ya kugita atri ya incite leadership kire antu bau bare yomi.
If she survives,
yes,
the Senate,
yes,
no kona jaka bado thina cha Meru kethiro ikuthira considering Mathina Ja personalized,
yes.
we are being honest. Gati kawe na nunto ugateganya ora kwaregwa I kuringana 30 kuringana 20 bila it looks like a competition. Na at the end of the day thai no ithirwa ago survive na kwithirwa mbuga agu collapse government yewe akorega kurukirwa minister akorega gwikia supplementary budget na gutumira ya governor Kiraito Murungi but mwaka jungi jokenda ikendeka akagitebura aikia budget kiri county assembly acting chief officers barabe kuba vira 6 months akenda substantive chief officers there's no way omba kwithirwa agi chiathurana na county assembly of Meru. No postpone for now. Lakini eventually they must work together kanango gerite. No kona jaka tukona there.
That is the absolute truth. One of the aran kona hope. Kona ray of hope. Ne ate kore this political belief that there are no permanent friends or enemies. Kataka kinyakiri government and to barabara require leaders ba Kiraito Murungi na require leaders ba Kawira Bongaza. So in politics there is so much treachery. Na gote permanent friends or enemies. The issue is permanent interests. Permanent interests. Itedra Rwanda next year kudra Kawira bari ndari bakin dansaga na bayu. Nabara Bangi, the Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Members of County Assembly, because politics is a game of permanent interest. It takes one day. That each on the Kudrigiti Tatri, Idri. Kokeke Jakoraga Ikudira. Meru is in trouble. John, like I said again, there is no way a governor can work around in a county. Gution to governor akathithia in a county ugekaira mbeche ECD milioni 5 MCS bakagita ikena milioni 2. You know baka sabotage mebango eku. Wauga kuthithio uju bakauga no kuri thithio uju. Therefore governor no I muntu very frustrated. Wajaja nande ware tanto ba ukurukirwa bakwira ari Tanad ministers kore anto baru serengoge anto capable. Bakaste bakarimi na bangi anto batho mwana ba Meru. Baru serengoge no to bo stand of veriko. Eu tebo bari na issues. The issue was ikawera to kuonia okari recognize itu bawo. Na ndenda kumenyewa ni public na Kenyan governor abamenyana office governor the executive. Mandate ya county assembly is so enormous that go tell governor na executive yomba go function itena assembly. Therefore kila mu advice igo seek peace na MCAs. Because yarega kuthithia u I know the powers have been there. Gote onto akomba kumove nabu na kinyagira anto ba kugira raia kuringa gituma ngugira raia ne thirire ria baringire kura bara kandi onabo because I've had MCA say nete aga kurukirwe budget bagu agwita kuona na ukekenine nete aga kurukirwe ka kuonwa you cannot do it without the members of the county assembly. Therefore kila muromba nete akarenthi na ndenda tumenya ni advisors bakarie nabo Kawira akajukia political activists bara advisors bawe bauna bayingugiri go qualify kethira mtu na romba kwaria kenine muno doesn't qualify kwithira advisor wa governor net akarenthi achwe antu soba net kiria kwirwa na kinya wengwa at translate from now an activist into a governor atonyo office in governor na machue into that office na kethra ini wende ngamba go shut up kinya mieri 6 nkamba kurande the menyo tirenge dari governor therefore mieri itandatu nkamba gukarankarani the ropes na kayetre very fast very fast.
All right, tukiumaruka kwe baba kuga the only solution Mathina Ja Meru.
Pardon?
Kwe baba kuga atire the only solution Meru igavana Kawira ethera kiumaruka. Do you believe that? Putting you on the spot.
Let me put it this way. Kukeja gutuika ngavana Kawira ate change. Okay? Kukeja gutuika ayo change ngavana Kawira ate change. Ambiria ku address issues. Iria igakuria Meru. Nambuge nandago buru otemuntu nankaje kwa wrongly because it is my belief. Uoni ndawishi Meru igurira muringeti te ayo muringeti. Meru empowered omba kuigurira muringeti te agurira muringeti. Therefore oni kwe mantu ntete kana yana joburu. Jarea jakwethia muntu murombi. Uoni ndenda mantu jagwikira muntu ruje akaire mire. Nkeja kurealize go capitalize on the ignorance and the poverty. Keja kwethra go exploit ukabwantu na kwagia iri mugwantu. Ora mutaingu nyaraugere akugeria ku karura asura narrative ekurema neri thirikari amigarure cyo tune tonyere muno mantu ya turandantu baere bo deritiga betere intoviai
kwewa
dio theri na ntukwenge rona akiwa ngathitine kwirwa ngarure narrative eu na nkuremwa Kawira gukeja gutuika ategarukana mbiria kwa address mantu more serious na atiga kurari the oroproi against leadership akomba kugaruka then darobayo change gukeja gutuika ngavana Kawira Mwangaza ategaruka then Meru in a disaster gukeja gutuika uwetite ni wageta mbere na miari yewe embero atutijeri uringijuru kwa mana erengi kateo substantiated manjajarea.
In a nutshell kauga sofa ina makosa. In a nutshell kauga sofa ina makosa. As
long as we talk ntero ona makosa jara kuona bru
iza kwaria
morally na makosa na Kawira should rectify.
Alright.
Kinya ewa change ya guchokari ngavana Kairi. Na only I want to say it from my heart. Na ngavana machua, ngavana okwando issues cha Meru, na akiriareza okamu ntugikuyo muritane itugutegia gikuyo.
Alright.
It's a universal. Okenda kwethia ntunkea cha kwejagwa for the rest of their lives gute murombi kana mwei uri indignity.
Alright. Kamusemo kawiga kega muno gakuthirikiria. Chokire nkatho cha mwanya muno ayatawa ALHAJI MWENDIA-MUTONGERIA wa kiama kia basi bagasana giteo giki neno tubakuona kanya gutuingira mwaka na siasa. Na tutare siasa Kairi.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure kwithira ndi Wero TV and I don't like kuromba ukurubwa TV tembere gikuraga because one of the most informative stations in this country. The Wero TV. I can tell you for sure.
Thank you so much.
Really ante ku watch Wero TV obila on Jazeera. CNN. Dadria ku watch manja Wero TV. I just go there for only I would advise people baraba kwenda kwa informed and balanced reportage. Iba subscribe to Wero TV.
Thank you so much. Happy retirement kiri politics. Mutegeri Wero TV ndio tugukira gatanta mubango jakogo kiaro kiro na arua tuguchokere nkatho cha mwanya no tubakona kanya kugwatana bawute kwendereka gitaga kega tuchemanya kiri Wero tha mugwanja bitagwantinya Kenya.